Here's a simple way to enhance a gift for any special occasion using flowers. Perfect for Mother's Day, a bridal shower, or your best friend's birthday. For the materials, you will need a gift wrapped in fine paper, scissors, clippers, ribbon, and an assortment of fresh blooms. First, take your ribbon and tie a double knot or a bow. Then fold the ends in half and cut diagonally on the edge. Work with your largest blooms first. Cut the stem and pull off any foliage. When inserting, cross the stems to lock in place. Make sure the stems are hidden and tucked under the ribbon. If you are using flowers such as azaleas or lilies, make sure to pull off or cut the anthers to get rid of the pollen. And there you have it, a simple way to enhance your special gift using flowers. Encourage the gift recipient to place the blooms in water to create a petite bouquet. I hope you've enjoyed this simple tutorial, and as always, please visit us at flowermag.com.